Hello guys. Today our 10th lecture of WordPress. Today we see setting in WordPress. Let's start. For setting, click on Settings. Click on General. Here open General Setting. Here you can change title and tagline of your website. Here WordPress address and site address cannot be changed. And here, you update admin email address. Here is membership option. After you check this checkbox, anyone can register an account on your site. The default role is set subscriber, and you can change here. You can change language here. Here is time zone. Here you can change date format and time format. You can set here format as you want to set. Select the weekday, which you prefer to start for WordPress calendar. Next here is option for writing. Click on it. Here you select post category. By default it is uncategorized. And here, you can change post format. Here is standard format by default. You can change it. Here you configure mail if you want to post through email. In update services option, when you publish a new post, WordPress will automatically notify the site update services. Next here is option for reading. Click on it. This section is used to display the front page. Your latest posts option is used to display latest posts on the front page. A static page option is used to display the static pages on the front page. You can select home page or posts page. By selecting home page, you can select the page you want to display on front page from the list. And in posts page option, you can select the page from the list which contains posts. In blog pages show at most option, you can set number of posts to be displayed per page. You can change and set as you want to show on your website. Now there is an option for syndication feeds, show the most recent. Here the user can view the number of posts when they download one of the site feeds. For each article in a feed show option, there are two checkboxes. One is full text. If you click on it, it displays the complete post, and other checkbox is summary. If you click on it, it displays the summary of the post. Search engine visibility. After clicking on the checkbox, your site will not visible on the search engine. Now we see discussion setting. WordPress discussion setting used to set interaction between the blogger and the visitors. In default post settings there are three more options. First is attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the post. This is used when you publish post, then it sends a notification to other blogs that are linked. Second is allow link notifications from other blogs on new posts. This is used for accepts pings from other blogs. Third option is allow people to post comments on new posts. This option is used to allow or disallow other people to comment on your post. Now we see other comment settings. This setting contains 7 more options. First is comment. Author must fill out name and email. When you check this box, it is mandatory for visitors to fill their name and email address. Second is users must be registered and logged in to comment. If you check this box, only those registered people can leave comments who are registered. If not checked, anyone can leave comments. Third option is automatically close comments on articles older than days. This option allows you to accept comments for specific time period. Fourth option is show comments cookies. Opt-in checkbox, allowing comment author cookies to be set. This checkbox is used to save your name, email, and website in this browser for the next time. Fifth option is enable threaded comments level deep. This option used when visitors can reply or have a discussion and get responses. Sixth option is break comments into pages with top level comments per page and the page displayed by default. If your pages are getting a lot of comments, then you can split them into different pages by using this option. Last option is comments should be displayed with the comments at the top of each page. This is used to arrange the comments in the form of ascending or descending order. Next is email me when this setting contains two options. Anyone posts a comment. When you check into this box, the author gets an email for every single comment that is posted. And a comment is held for moderation. This is used in case you do not want your comment to be updated before it's moderated by the admin. Next, before a comment appears, there are two more settings. First is comment must be manually approved. If you check this box, then only the approved comments by the admin can be displayed on the posts or pages. Second is comment author must have a previously approved comment. This can be checked when you want to approve a comment of an author who has commented and his email address matches the email address of the previous posted comment. Otherwise, the comment is held for moderation. Next, there are section for comment moderation. This contain only a specific number of links that are allowed into a comment. Next is disallowed comment keys. This is used to filter comments. You can input your own words, which you do not want your visitors to enter into the comments. It would filter the comments. Here is setting for avatars. Avatar is your profile picture. Here you have a few more options where you can set your avatar for WordPress site. Avatar display. It displays your avatar besides your name when it is checked. And maximum rating. You have 4 other options of avatars you can use. They are G, PG, R and X. This is the age section where you select according to which type of audience you want to display your posts. Last is default avatar option. In this option, there are few more types of avatars with images. You can keep these avatars according to your visitor's email address. Now we see media setting in WordPress. It is used to set the height and width of the images to use on your website. First option is thumbnail size. Here, you can set height and width of thumbnail. Here is checkbox for extract thumbnail. Next option in media is medium size. This option is used to set the height and width of medium size images. And then the option for large size images. Here you set width and height of larger images. And last setting in media, uploading files. After checking this checkbox, the uploaded image will be arranged into month and year based folder. Next setting is permalink. These settings are used to add permalinks to your posts in WordPress. In permalinks setting, first there are common settings option. Common setting contains 6 radio buttons to choose your permalink structure for your blogs. First is plain. It contains the default URL structure in WordPress. Second is day and name. It contains URL structure according to the date and name in your posts. Next is month and name. It sets contain URL structure according to the month and name in your post. Next is numeric. It contain numbers in the URL structure in your post. Next is post name. It contain post name in the URL structure in your post. And last option is custom structure. It contain the URL structure of your choice by writing the desired name in the given text box. In the optional section, you can add custom structure for main category or tag URL. First is category base, is used to add custom prefix for your category URL. And second is tag base, is used to add custom prefix to your tag's URL. Next, last setting is privacy. Here you can change your privacy policy page. Here select pages and click on use this, then the privacy policy pages change. You can also create new pages. If you have learned how to use setting in WordPress, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.